Hans has the same philosophy that I do, which is if you're going to do it right. And he gives 100% to all of his cases. And I think the track record he has speaks to that. It's my belief that if someone came to Hans and described a case and Hans looked into it, and at the end of the day Hans felt like the attorney had done something wrong, had malpractice, my belief is that Hans would take that case if he felt it merited it, and he wouldn't turn it away just because someone would be unhappy, someone wouldn't like him, people in the bar maybe would shun him because of that. But most attorneys I know are understand that not everybody does a great job, and that when somebody does cross the line, there needs to be accountability. Everybody in the law profession I work with, takes the oath that they take seriously in terms of being ethical and doing the right thing. And Hans, takes that same, again, like everything, and it's just very black and white. He is going to do it the right way. The way is not going to cut corners. And in the end, I know when Hans puts his head on the pillow at night, he goes to sleep without having to worry about whether, he maybe cut a corner or got into a gray area. Hans, in most of the instances, I believe, fronts the money to work up the case. And this is money out of his own pocket. And again, you never know if you're going to win or you're going to lose. And if you lose, usually the attorney is stuck covering those costs. The client doesn't have to pay for it. And even with that going, I've never seen Hans cut corners and do it the cheap way. He does it the correct way. People have no idea, for a trial attorney, whether defense or plaintiff, how much work goes in to preparing a case for trial. And then once you get in trial, you are totally immersed. These people are working sometimes 20 hours a day for weeks on end.